Hello everyone and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on XRP. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Wherever you are in this great world, we're gonna talk about XRP. And once again, this is the one-day chart. We're sitting here at $2.33. The last couple of days I've been off schedule. I'm sure you all noticed. My videos have been going up later than usual. I am trying to get back on schedule. But it was another red day for XRP. We started out green and then gradually the market started to dip. But if you look at the 7-day chart, we're still in this channel. And I'm still waiting for upward movement to start to happen. People are saying this weekend looks very big for XRP. But whenever they say it's going to happen at this moment, like it's going to happen over this coming weekend, this coming week, right away, the market proves different. The market's going to do what the market is going to do. You just got to make it through the dips so you could get to that financial freedom. But we are going to have alt season, and I got to remind you of this. Right now, we're still in phase 1, phase overlap, where some money flows into Ethereum, but it struggles to keep up with Bitcoin. We're waiting for Ethereum to start to outperform Bitcoin. Then people will start to talk about the flippening happening. And then we'll start to flow into phase overlap and into phase 3 and phase 4. We're just not quite there yet. But everyone's expecting this to start at any moment. And if you look at Ethereum right now, it looks like the rest of the market. Once we start to break above $4,000 again on Ethereum, things are going to start to get very exciting. And that's all we're waiting for right now. If you still don't hold XRP, you're doing something wrong, expert says. And I would agree with that. If you look at all the charts, XRP has the greatest chart out there right now. A lot of people are still comparing it to Tesla stock. Other people are saying, all I see is bullish momentum on the chart for XRP. You see it as dips, but if you look at the much bigger picture, it's looking like XRP is getting set up for a massive breakout moment. When is it going to happen? When we all least expect it. Leading crypto exchange encourages XRP holders not to sell their bags. You know, when the exchanges are telling you, make sure you have diamond hands for XRP, you need to pay attention. The exchanges are waiting for that breakout as well. Uphold every single day post about XRP. Other exchanges do the same thing. Because this is a once in a lifetime opportunity. What you're holding is the future. And if you have a game plan, you are going to get financial freedom. There's so many big things building up the momentum behind XRP. I keep telling you, it's in a pressure cooker, and we are waiting for it to explode. Expert list 8 bullish scenarios that awaits XRP. This comes from Edo Farina. Here is what awaits for XRP. Sideways in February. New all-time high in March. 80% Bitcoin crash. That's going to happen. Everyone thinks XRP is in a bear market. SEC lawsuit ends Q2 2025. XRP becomes the standard currency. Mass FOMO. XRP to $100 plus. I think the case is going to end before Q2. I'm expecting it to end inside of February, honestly. I think it has to happen before Fed now. That's what makes me so optimistic about that case coming to an end sooner than later. New all-time high in March. I'm still expecting that as well by the end of February. Everyone's saying once the breakout starts, XRP is going to start to move very fast. so it could possibly happen sooner. But I do expect every one of these things to happen. You could already see it coming for mass FOMO. Wait until XRP starts really breaking out. Wait until it's around $7 or $8 and people are struggling to get in on the exchanges at the same time. Because whenever XRP is running like that, whenever any cryptocurrency is running up like that, it always seems like the exchanges go down at the same time. 3 XRP ETFs filed in the past hour. This happened yesterday. Bitwise, 21 shares, and Wisdom Tree. And we were expecting this. You know, right now, everybody wants to get an XRP ETF to go live. Once that happens, watch how fast the institutions start flooding money into XRP. I'm expecting that to gain a lot of momentum. And Brad Garlinghouse tweeted this out earlier today. And it was Brad's birthday as well. CBOE BZX Exchange files 19B-4 to list and trade spot XRP ETFs for several issuers. Like I said, the clock is ticking. Once this starts to go live, that's it. I'm expecting an explosion on the price of XRP. So much money is going to flow into this cryptocurrency. All the institutions know what XRP is capable of. This is why when you're sitting there looking at XRP having a red day like today, I ignore it because I know what's coming next. Everything that's building up right now is about to play out in the coming weeks. I'm still thinking that we're going to have crypto regulations sooner than 6 months from now. I think it's going to happen much quicker. I think it's going to take a catalyst, though, for that to happen. Maybe some other country, maybe it's BRICS, that announces some big announcement about blockchain and crypto, and right away the US will start to fast track once again. Because we watched that happen in the past, and I think we will see it over the coming weeks as well. Epic moment, Wall Street 2.0 will be unveiled. We're at a defining moment in global finance. Take a listen to this, coming from Ondo.
We're at a defining moment in global finance. The convergence of traditional financial services and blockchain technology holds the potential for a fundamental upgrade to our financial system, one that will make markets more transparent, more efficient, and more accessible for everyone. While many of you in this room and those joining virtually have been working towards this vision for years, we believe now is the time to begin working more closely together to make this vision a reality.
They want to get Wall Street involved in the crypto space. And I think a lot of the smart money that's on Wall Street right now will flow into crypto because they're not going to want to be left behind as well. Anybody that makes a move into this space first will always have the upper hand on the competition. History is being written before our eyes, and Ripple is part of it. For the first time, it's also going to be possible for real-world assets to have the same utility, liquidity, and performance as traditional assets. Take a listen to this.
Last but not least, the Ondo chain will catalyze a new ecosystem focused on real-world assets and DeFi. This ecosystem will allow for concentrated innovation to happen, both for protocols, but also at the wallet level, to really invest and optimize the user experience for financial services and RWAs on-chain. For the first time, it's also going to be possible for real-world assets to have the same utility, liquidity, and performance as traditional assets in other channels. Historically, this has never been possible in other ecosystems. By innovating into the design of the chain itself, for the very first time, RWAs are going to be able to tap into crypto-native primitives such as staking. This will open up the door to new products and innovations and sources of additional yield that could even be passed on to traditional investors.
They're going to start to bring ways for you to earn passive income off of your crypto. Once they start to open that up, that's it. You will never have to sell your XRP. You can earn monthly off of your XRP. Everybody always said it's about how much XRP you're holding, and it's not. It doesn't matter how much XRP you're holding. If you have a game plan, no matter how much XRP you have right now, it can lead you to financial freedom. And this is a historical moment. This never happened before in the past. Once in a lifetime opportunity, and you're part of it just by being an XRP investor. That's why I keep telling you, this is that opportunity of a lifetime. You already made the first step by buying XRP. All you got to do is nothing. Just sit back and wait for it to happen. But so many people are so eager to sell every time XRP dips. I don't get that. I'm still trying to figure out why anyone would want to sell this asset instead of holding it and getting passive income. It's not hard, and there's going to be risk-free ways to do that because companies like Ondo are going to open up those possibilities for you. Then you're going to have other companies onboarding, opening up more possibilities, more options. You're going to have some people offering higher yield than others, and you'll be able to pick and choose as an XRP holder. And the Bitcoin maxi fear is real, and so is slander. Take a listen to what this guy says about Brad Garlinghouse.
Anyway, so I thought I'll just learn a bit about it. So I studied and I thought, well, Ripple, which...
Oh, no.
Which I know, I saw a thing where somebody said it was the wrong thing. So I put in about 9,300, I'll just watch it. And so actually recently, that 9,300 appreciated to something like 46,000. It's come back to about 32, 33,000.
Right. I tell you what, take it
so
straight.
Tell me about Ripple.
Well, so to me, it's a scam. It's a fraud. I think Brad Garlinghouse, who runs it, is a compulsive liar. They have funded
I saw a clip on that. Somebody said that the other day.
Well, there's two things. They funded misinformation campaigns via Greenpeace against Bitcoin. And they have also been undermining the efforts to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve in the US government. These people, I think they're fundamentally evil. The cryptocurrency Ripple has no purpose. To me, it's a fraud. Personally, he'll probably sue me.
Is that the same with Ethereum then?
I mean, some of them are just, to me, they're just pointless. They're scams.
While they're holding the biggest Ponzi meme coin in all of crypto, these people are calling every other cryptocurrency useless. And they call Brad Garlinghouse a scammer. Brad went out there, fought the SEC on behalf of all of crypto, including Bitcoin. Brad even said the government can hold Bitcoin. He just wanted a level playing field. If the government's going to hold Bitcoin, why should they not hold HBAR and XLM and XDC and XRP? I don't get it. These people are so pissed off because it's not Bitcoin only. And they don't even realize that once Bitcoin crashes down again, all this hype and all this bullshit's going to come to an end. The days of hype and speculation are almost over. And then we move on to utility. And utility is going to end the 4-year cycle. So forget about the next run-up for Bitcoin. They want to take all the volatility out of Bitcoin anyway. They want to make it a tradable asset like BlackRock. They want Bitcoin to go up 5%, come back down 5%, maybe go up 10%, but it's going to be steady. You're not going to get the big swings on Bitcoin anymore. Utility will end the 4-year cycle. But to imagine saying that, and Greenpeace, it's like anything. You could take money and invest it into some project that's out there. You don't know what they're going to do with that money. You know, maybe they go on a massive ad campaign that you don't even like or don't even agree with, but you put money into it because you thought it was a good idea. Now, I'm sure Chris Larson did talk about climate change. He's all about that. You know, he's one of the globalists. And I'm not afraid to say it as an XRP holder. But the fact that Ripple has those ties to the elite, that keeps me invested into XRP. Because if the elite sees XRP as the future, I want to make sure I'm holding the future. But it's not false information either. Bitcoin is very energy consuming, and it's going to be an even bigger problem going into the future with the rise of AI, because AI requires a lot of energy. Watch how fast they start getting rid of Bitcoin mining because they need to shift the power to the future, which is AI. But, you know, to go out there and just think everything's a scam other than Bitcoin, it's just wrong. It's bullshit to me. And don't you find it weird how so many big names are completely U-turning on their stance versus XRP? It tells me they know something. Take a listen to this.
I was skeptical that XRP would have lasting power because Ripple, the company, owns 60% of them, now 55 or 50% of them. And I was like, that just doesn't seem a proposition that's going to work. And I've been dead wrong. Hats off to Brad Garlinghouse and his team. Ripple is now, a institution. The XRP army is real. They care about their ecosystem and their coin.
I like when they finally wake up and realize that XRP is actually built to do something, built to fix the current financial system, built to move money in the new financial system. But they're all starting to wake up because now it's all coming together. It's no longer you can ignore it anymore. You can't ignore the fact that XRP is starting to gain momentum. And this new financial system is actually real, and it's building out in real time. But like I said, you got to make it through these minor dips, because once you get through this and the breakout starts and it begins, everybody's going to be excited once again. The FOMO is going to be unreal. When we get to like $7 or $8, I'm telling you, people are going to be absolutely mind blown when it comes to XRP. You got to be here for that. But until it happens, stay patient, stay positive, and let's get rich together. With that said, I'm going to wrap up this video. I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate all of you. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.